Think about how amazing it would be to animate your characters easily with just a few clicks, or even switch out actors in videos with incredible precision. Today, I'll show you how to animate still characters' motion, transform any character image into a lively motion video using pre-designed text motion prompts from Viggle, or any available motion video found, all for free. It's really straightforward and simple. Feel free to pause the video and follow along with me.
Remember to subscribe to the channel, as all the links to create the avatar will be in the video description.
To start, we need a character. This could be an image you already possess, one you find online, or one you create on your own. I'll guide you through the second and third methods for creating characters. First off, we need a 3D character and Lexica. Art can help us with that. On the main page, just type into the search bar to find your ideal character. To ensure the best results, make sure the character's full body possesses match those in your reference video. If you can't find exactly what you're looking for, there's a generate section where you can create the character you want. Simply write a description, include any specifics you don't want with a negative prompt, and specify the desired output size. However, Lexica Art is a paid version. If you want to create a free character, go to the next step. I've selected my characters, so let's proceed without further delay in step 3. Let's begin by creating some 3D style images at no cost. Head over to the Capcut AI website and start a new project. Create a new raster image, and choose 3D render as the image style. Enter your prompt, for instance. Specify a full body pose and describe your character. Set the aspect ratio to 3:4. Just hit Recraft. And just like that, you can create several images of your characters. After that, you can animate them using Viggle AI. To join the Viggle AI beta, first visit the Viggle AI website and click on Join the Beta. This will redirect you to the Discord website. Ensure you are logged into your Discord account. After responding to a few questions, you will be added to the Viggle AI Discord server. To begin creating videos, navigate to one of the animate channels, numbered 1 to 10. For instance, if you're going to the Animate 7 channel. Once there, type a / in the message box, and a variety of options will appear for you to select from. Viggle AI's features, particularly the Animate and Mix options. Animate. This option uses prompts created by Viggle. It's known for creating images quickly. Select this option if you want to generate new animations based on provided prompts. Mix. This option leverages an existing motion video provided by the user. Choose this if you have a pre-existing video you want to work with. Let's start to try the Animate feature. First, type a / and choose the Animate option. Next, upload a picture. While any photo can work, pictures where you can see the whole body usually turn out better. I'll pick a picture to upload. Then, I'm going to find a motion I like from the prompt library, copy it, and go back to Discord to paste it into the section for the motion prompt. Now, let's keep the background the same as the original and turn on the fine-tune feature. After sending it off, our character gets animated and fits right into the motion video, just like that. Let's now try the Mix feature. Simply type a / to begin, and then select the Mix option that appears. For this, you'll need to upload both an image and a video. I have an image of Lara Croft and a video clip of a girl dancing ready to use. We'll change the background to white and make sure the fine-tune option is turned on. Once we send this off, it quickly processes our inputs. And just like that, our video is ready to view. So, we started with a character image and a dance video as references. And here's our final mixed video output. Note that it's better to choose a green background so that we can remove it more easily and mix with many other scenes. The results might not be perfect since it's still in its beta version and completely free. However, people are creating amazing content with it. These videos tend to become extremely popular on Instagram and TikTok. You should definitely give it a try. That wraps up this video. If you found it fun and helpful, please give it a like. Stay tuned for more videos. You can proceed by adding your dancing character to Lexica. art in the background or download the Capcut library and then export it to your device. It's as simple as that. In Capcut, place the original video on the bottom layer. Then, go to the video section to remove the background naturally without excessive green borders. Adjust the color settings by dragging the green color index all the way to the left. Next, select the chroma key option and choose the specific green intensity to remove the background. Notice how even camera movements are effectively removed.
In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to develop a consistent character AI and upscale your videos to 4K to boost virality on social media. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest content.